Joining us from Family and Elder Law of Michigan, we have Erica Saldivar. Erica, thanks for joining us. You've been on many times and you've talked about estate planning, but I want you to remind us again, what exactly is estate planning?
Yeah, absolutely. I'd love to talk about that. It's important to understand that estate planning is for everyone, and it's so much easier than you might think. So first, let's define what your estate is. Your estate is everything you own, you and your stuff. Your house, your car, your bank accounts, stocks and bonds, that's all part of your estate. So, what does it mean to plan for your estate? Estate planning. It means making three very important decisions. Who is in control? Who gets to benefit? And when?
How do I make those decisions? And then the other question that comes up is, what documents do I need in place?
Yeah, exactly. So, the very first documents you'll want to think about for your estate plan are your powers of attorney. If you become so sick or are hurt so badly that you can't make decisions for yourself, there's going to be two issues at hand. The first is who's in control of you, and the second is going to be who's in control of your stuff. Now, in Michigan, if you create a medical power of attorney, the law calls that document your patient advocate designation, and the person you name to make medical decisions for you is your patient advocate. Now, if you do nothing and you become hurt or sick, then the probate court will need to step in and appoint a guardian to act on your behalf, and that will take care of you. The second issue is your stuff. Now, your stuff is controlled by your durable power of attorney, and the person you name to make legal and financial decisions for you is called your attorney in fact. And again, if you do nothing, then the probate court will have to step in and appoint a conservator to act on your behalf. So it's really important to understand that if you take the time to execute proper powers of attorney for yourself, you will not need a guardian or conservator.
Well, why not just let somebody else deal with it when it comes to it?
Yeah, so the reality is there is a lot that can go wrong if you haven't made any decisions or had any of these discussions with your family. Scrambling to establish a guardianship or conservatorship for a family member is costly, and it's a long, invasive process that's driven by the court's rules, not yours. If you just take the time to execute your own powers of attorney, then you are making all the tough decisions and memorializing your wishes so that your patient advocate and your attorney in fact can sleep at night because they know they're just following your wishes.
Great information. Thank you, Erica.
Thank you so much.